preparation for the earnings. Scott Bauer is going to help us trade it. Sarah Roback, thank you. Let's head to the CBO. The CEO of Prosper Trading Academy is looking at Broadcom. So Scott, this thing has nice earnings track record the past year with a lot of pops after a report. You going to bet on another one?
Well, you know, you just hit the nail on the head with what I'm looking at when you say it's off the lows, it's down from the highs, kind of right in the middle. And that's what I'm looking at on this trade. You are absolutely right that it does have a good history of popping after earnings. Now, there's only one trading day left to go once these earnings come out for this week's options. And the market maker expected move is a whopping $17 between today and end of day tomorrow on that move. That's a big move. And the fact of what you just said and what I'm looking at on the charts, to me, Broadcom is kind of in the middle of no man's land from a technical standpoint here. They may have a great report. They have that track record like we talked about. But what I'm going to do to play off of that kind of no man's land here, and since option premium is very, very expensive, I'm doing the iron condor, which we've talked about before, Oliver.
Okay.
I'm selling a downside put spread. I'm selling an upside call spread and trying to capture the range that the expected move is going to hopefully trade in.
All right, so you're looking at that expected move and saying, look, there is a potential for a volatility crush, that it doesn't live up to that, Scott, that it's going to continue to kind of be range bound?
Well, there's definitely going to be a volatility crush regardless of what happens to the stock tomorrow. We know that's going to happen. This is a one-day trade that I'm making. It's going to be a hit or miss. So I'm selling a downside put spread, the 267.5, 262.5 put spread. There also happens to be major support in this stock right around 263 or 264, which is the 200-day moving average. I'm selling that put spread. I'm also selling on the upside the 295-300 call spread. Both spreads are $5 wide, which is the maximum that this trade could ever be worth, even if the stock goes down to 200 or up to 400. Can never be worth more than $5. I'm selling this for about $2.50. I love my reward to risk on this because basically I'm getting 1-to-1 odds. Someone's paying me $2.50. That's my risk here, but I'm basing those strikes again on what that expected market maker move is of about $17 in either direction.
Got it. All right. I like Scott Bauer. Very interesting stuff. Broadcom right in the middle of the short, long-term average.
Yep.
And kind of in the middle of the range for the past couple months. So we'll be watching it. Scott, I know you will. Looking forward to the update this afternoon. We're going to be looking for it. Mr. Bauer is the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Thanks a lot, Scott.